Good evening, my name is Edward Russell Vinuya from BS Cream Dashboard. For today's video, gagawin natin yung kung paano kunin yung hash value gamit ang hash generator. So, first step, open natin itong hash generator, then ito tayo sa select file, then desktop, then get my hash value, then generate hash. So bali ito po yung hash length and then yung hash value. Ngayon try naman po natin i-rename yung file. Then, proceed po ulit tayo sa hash generator. Then, select file. Then, ito, yung rename po natin. And open. Then, generate hash. As you can see po, wala naman pong pinagbago. Then, subukan naman po natin bigyan ng laman yung yung file natin. If mapapalitan po yung hash value. Then enable editing. Po natin lagyan ng pangalan ko. Then save. Then open po tayo. As you can see po, napalitan po yung hash length and then yung hash value. And that's all po. Thank you.